Topkidsplay specializes in
Hello
designing,
everyone, welcome to our
manufacturing,
live
installing
show. This
of
is Simona.
playground equipment.
And my name is Joy.
Our main products
Okay,
are
Joy,
indoor
please
playground,
give a brief
Trampoline
introduction
Park,
about
and
our
Ninja
company.
Warrior course.
Yeah,
As a
we have
manufacturer,
two brands actually,
Topkidsplay.
Trampoline Playground and the Topkids. We established in 2014 and quickly occupied the overseas market with our marketing team. At the first beginning, we have only a few teammates in our company, like 8 or 9.
Yeah.
Yeah, team. Yeah. But in 2016, our sales office, we set a sales office in downtown, and our group enlarged. And from 2017, we are also studying to attend overseas exhibitions and exchanging experience with our company, and let more people to know about us.
Okay, thank you, Joy, to give a brief introduction about our company, Zhejiang Zhongsheng Amusement Equipment.
Yeah.
Because as a manufacturer, we understand how to improve the quality and how to let the clients return the money fast. So we specialize in designing, manufacturing, and installing of the customized indoor playground, trampoline park, ninja course, climbing wall obstacle course with turnkey solution.
Yeah.
Yes, and we have succeeded by building a lot of projects in all over the world, such as North American market, Middle East market, and the European countries. So you can tell the clients like what benefits we can do, like from production, shipping, and installation. Okay.
Yeah. Actually, we have our own design team and workshops. As well, we work with some shipping companies.
Yes.
As well, meanwhile, we have a team of installation.
Yeah.
So we can send our technicians to anywhere, any country, to do the installation. So we can offer you one-stop services from design to install and maintenance. Yeah.
Yes.
It.
I remember we have exported almost 14 countries.
I think maybe 50.
Okay.
50 countries.
And also, I think over 100 projects all over the world.
Yeah.
So I think if the clients who have interest to develop this kind of business, you can contact us because we can help the clients save time and money.
Yes, you can visit the parks or gyms we build in your country by yourself.
Yes.
Yes.
And it's our great honor to be your Turkey indoor solution partner.
Yes.
Yes, because we can provide from the design, production, shipping, and the installation. And the most important thing, Joy, we can provide the ROI, right?
Yeah, the profit or investment.
Yes. Because the clients, when they want to start this business, at first they will be a little worried, concerned.
Yeah.
But take it easy when choose us, find us.
Yeah, we can help. We can help. We can even help you to select a very better, maybe a best place or location to open your park. And we can also make some business plans.
Yes.
According to your country and your market.
Yes, that's to say, from the production, shipping, installation, even marketing, we can all give you suggestions to you, so the clients can be rest assured.
Yes.
Okay, so Joy, after give the introduction about our company advantage, maybe you can tell the clients who come to our live show for the first time, like what kind of products we manufacture.
Yeah, actually we can produce many kind of indoor amusement equipment. But our strengths are in the playground, trampolines, and the Ninja Warrior course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think the screen, shows the indoor
Yeah, it's
playground.
indoor playground.
It's the jungle theme.
Jungle.
Yeah,
the
jungle theme.
jungle theme.
Because for the yellow and the green colors.
Actually, it's the most popular theme, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also give the brief introduction for the different themes to the clients.
Yeah, we have many different themes like jungle theme, ninja theme, ocean theme, parrot shape theme, and space theme, cat theme, and so on. We can also make a custom theme according to your requirement.
Yeah, right. For example, what kind of theme do you think is the most popular right now, according to your clients' feedback?
Yeah, according to my experience, I think the jungle theme is most popular. But the ninja theme is a new trend for indoor playground. As we showed it in, I think, in 2019 in Orlando show.
Yeah, right.
Orlando.
Yes.
Yeah. Since then, it's become more and more popular. Actually, we have built around 4 or 5 projects.
Yeah, I think in United States.
In United States of Ninja C.
Yeah. Joy mentioned the Ninja theme is because we have the advantage products Ninja course we will introduce later. But as Joy mentioned, the jungle theme, which we showed you before, is the main color is the yellow and the green because the jungle theme suits for different ages and different like girls and boys will like
it looks
very much.
Very comfortable and nice. Yeah.
And also in my son like the space theme because when he enter the park, when he find the space, he looks the stars and also some galaxy. So it's really interesting for the space theme as well.
Yes.
Okay, so talking about the indoor playground, another product is
trampoline.
Trampoline Park.
Yeah.
So can you give an introduction about the trampoline park?
Yeah. Trampoline Park is a large place you can jump. Yeah. And to burn your energy.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. As you can see, we have many different activities in our trampoline park, like a free jump, like a dodgeball, like wipeout, like high performance trampolines. Many different activities for your option.
Yeah,
so, if you prefer to challenge, we would recommend the high performance trampolines. Yeah.
Yeah, you are talking about the high performance. We also call Olympic jump.
Olympic, yeah.
Yeah, but this kind of jump, it needs a high ceiling height.
Yeah. The normal one requires maybe 5.1 meter.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, but for the pro trampoline or high performance trampoline, around
20 feet.
20 feet. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, like 6 meters.
Yeah, 6 meters, right? And as you see the screen, we can see the donut slide. Have you tried the donut slide before?
Yeah, I've tried once. It's so exciting, but from the beginning, I was so scared to try that.
Okay.
But once I tried it, I love it. It's so interesting and exciting. Yeah.
Okay, so we will prepare some projects for the trampoline park. So at the first picture, you can see the open jump, high performance, and the foam pit, ninja course, airbag, climbing wall, and also football. So many games we can choose, and we can even customize for you if there are no games appear in our screen.
Yeah, just tell us your idea.
Yes.
Make
we can make your ideas to reality. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about another project.
Ninja course.
Yeah,
Ninja
our
Warrior course.
our Warrior Ninja course is our advantage products. So Joy, you are the expert for this product. I think you need to give a brief introduction about this product to all the clients.
Okay. We normally divide our Ninja course into 4 types. The common one is ground Ninja course. As you may see that in many ninja gyms or parks with a height of like 12 feet or 3.6 meters.
Yeah, right. 10 to 12 feet high.
Yeah. It can be made to fit a wide range of ages and levels.
Yes.
So you know there are many different obstacles. So for younger people, we may play some easy or basic obstacles. But for adults or experts, we put some hard or more challenging obstacles.
Yeah, so you can introduce what kind of ninja course for the screen showed.
Yeah, this one showed in the left part is for kids. You can see in the front,
floor obstacles.
like some sliding steps and some soft plays for kids. And the right part, the main part, is designed for teens and adults.
Yes.
Yeah, there are many, like 20 different or more different obstacles. And at the back side, it is a warp wall with 3 different heights, like 3 meters, 3.6 meter, and 4.2 meter.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
According to your introduction, that's to say, the clients can give us their age groups, their wants, and also the size, dimensions. Then we can come out a perfect design for them for the Ninja Dream.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, and also, this is also the Ninja course.
Yeah, the ground one. Yeah, the basic one.
I can see different colors to meet the client's requirements.
Yeah. But the most popular color like green, red,
Black.
orange. Yeah, black.
Because those are typical colors for the ninja course, like their experience or play as a ninja.
Yes, you can see these colors in the TV show, Ninja Warrior. Yeah. The red and blue. Yeah, very
Actually,
typical.
As Joy mentioned, the Ninja Warrior course is coming from the American TV show Ninja Warrior. That's why it's so popular.
Yeah, and the new trend in amusement and fitness
facilities.
Industry. Yes. And
here is the elevated.
So last page. Okay. These are multiple level ninja course. Usually we make it 2 levels. The first level is just like a ground ninja course with some common obstacles. But at the second level, we can make it ninja course or a rope course, or even a combination with playground. Yeah.
And talking about the ninja course, some clients want to be mobile, as you see the screen.
Yeah. As the COVID-19 affected over the world, so people can now go out or go to the gyms. So backyard ninja course may be a better option for your kids or for yourself. You can put it at your backyard or basement or even in your garage.
Yeah, right. There are so many obstacles. So many obstacles to choose from easy to normal to difficult.
Yeah, for kids, for adults,
for teenagers.
Many different options.
What kind of obstacles do you think is the most popular?
Most popular, like some some hand obstacles like a ring slider, the hand rings, unstable bridge. Yeah, kind of like that.
The exercise for the whole body.
Yeah, some cargo tube nut, cheese door. Yeah, you need to use your foot and your hands.
Yes.
To
exercise.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the elevated.
Elevated, yes. Elevated ninja course. We use airbag or foam blocks at the bottom.
Yes.
To replace the lining mats.
Yeah.
But
this is more exciting way.
Yeah, and it made higher. Like 4.8 meter.
Yeah, actually any size is okay. We can make, how to say, the airbag lower or higher, but 4.8 is our standard size.
But our standard size is 1.2 meter for airbag or foam pit.
Yeah.
Yeah, plus 3.3, maybe 3.6 meter higher from the platform. So the total height would be 4.5 or 4.8.
Yes, depending on the age groups for the ninja course, because different heights we can meet.
As well as the obstacles matters as well.
Yes. And also talking about the backyard ninja course, I think every kid, especially the people who has the backyard, they want to obtain this kind of ninja course in their backyard.
Yeah, you can see the size